Hi, we're here with Dr. John Abell of BodyLogicMD of Louisville, Kentucky. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Great. It's National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I was hoping you might share some tips on decreasing your risk for breast cancer.
Okay, love to. Breast cancer, as we all know, is one of the most common cancers today, affecting anywhere from now 1 in 9, and statistics probably more than that in the population. And there are some things that have been linked to breast cancer that we can absolutely do to decrease our risk. Some of these things, everybody thinks about hormone replacement causing breast cancer. Many of the experts think that it really is not the hormones that cause the cancer, but the initial insult to the DNA that causes the cancerous changes, and then as that cell grows, then estrogens may stimulate that already abnormal cell to reproduce. So there are known things that cause damage to DNA. These include radiation. So we would want to avoid as much any harmful radiation that we don't need. We don't need annual chest X-rays anymore. Mammograms, it's well known that after you get 6 mammograms, you increase your risk of breast cancer. Smoking increases DNA damage and the susceptibility. There are toxins in our body. There are numerous chemicals that we get from pesticides that have been shown to be damaging to the DNA to start that process. And then trauma. Women who have had traumas like dog bites have been shown 10 to 13 years later to have a breast cancer come up in that site, viral infections. And so some of these things you can avoid, but there are some of the things you can't avoid, like keeping the toxins out of your environment, drinking purified water. Another big thing that we don't think about a lot is exercise. And it's been shown that when we exercise 30 minutes a day, we dramatically decrease our risk of breast cancer on the order of 40%. So there's a lot of things that we can do. And on the subject of hormones, the Women's Health Initiative showed several years ago that the synthetic hormones do cause a dramatic increase in your risk of breast cancer, and that increase was really not due to the estrogen component. It was due to the synthetic progestin that was given along with the estrogen.
Well, thank you so much for helping us understand that a little bit better and prepare a better plan to avoid those types of risks.
Thank you.